Good afternoon for everybody. I am Jemmy from Artawacana Christian University. I will presenting my presentation about DC pump performance testing using solar power. Introduction. The need for water for plant growth requires the provision of water by utilizing alternative energy. The cost of implementing solar energy is still quite high, but the operational costs are lower than the use of fossil energy. This research was conducted in two stages, namely the design of the solar panel system, battery water pump, functional test, and water pump performance test. Method. Measurement of voltage and electric current on a 100 week peak solar panel, 70 ampere and 12 volt battery, and a 5 watt DC water pump. Then proceed with the calculation of the electrical power of the solar panel and battery. Pump performance testing includes water usage and pump power. This research was carried out in two stages, namely planning the solar panel system battery water pump, functional test, water pump performance test. Measurement of the voltage and electric current of solar panel, battery and water pump. Then calculates electric power, solar panel, and battery. The result and discussion. Assembling a series of equipment from solar panel, batteries, and pump was tested using a wattmeter. The voltage source for the pump used a 70 ampere battery, which is charged by a solar panel. The pump is immersed in water at a depth of 50 cm for testing. The test was carried out for 3 days. The electricity supply from solar panels through the solar charge controller is used to charge the battery, especially during cloudy weather, when the weather is very sunny. The electricity supply is mostly used directly to the water pump. Voltage and current tests are carried out on the battery and pump. The pump, battery, and panel test data are present in Figure 1 to Figure 3. Figure 1 present voltage and current profile of DC battery pump on April 27, 2022. Figure 2 present voltage and current profile of DC battery and pump on April 28, 2022. Voltage and current profile of DC battery and pump on April 29, 2022, present in Figure 3. In the curve, voltage and current decrease at 1 p.m. because the sky is cloudy. The test is carried out by measuring the voltage and current in the battery and pump, carried out at 11 to 4 p.m. to produce the average voltage and current as present in Table 1. Average voltage current on battery and pump. Average voltage on battery 13.89 fault, and on pump 4.25 ampere, not voltage, fault. Average current on battery 16.7 volt ampere, and on pump 4.59 ampere. Discharge at a depth of 50 centimeters on April 27, 2022, present on figure 4. And discharge at a depth of 50 centimeters on April 28, 2022, in present in figure 5. And discharge at a depth of 50 centimeters, April 29, 2022, present on figure 6. The test is carried out by measuring the time it takes to produce 5 liters of water from 11 to 4 p.m. to produce the following average water discharge presented in table 2. Average discharge for 3 days is 0.16 liter per second. The conclusion, based on the discussion on the previous page, it can be concluded several things as follows. The voltage, current, and power generated by 70 ampere 12 volt battery is very good, especially when the water is sunny. The voltage generated in sunny weather is able to issue an average voltage of 13.89 volt with a current of 4.25 amperes, while the DC pump is at a voltage 13.7 voltage and current at 4.59 amperes. The DC water pump used is capable of producing 0.16 liters per second, or equal to 9.6 liters per minute at a depth 50 centimeters. For the development on research, it can be studied about the durability of this DC water pump and can use a pump with a large capacity so that the resulting water discharge is higher. Acknowledgement. The author would like to thank the rector of Artawacana Christian University, who has provided funding through the University Research Camp, and Chemical Engineering ITB, who has given the opportunity to write in international seminar on chemical engineering Swadi Reksa Wadoyo, STKSR journal. Thank you very much.